Hey folks, welcome back. Let me tell you what guys, if the weather's bad out here, it's already getting dark outside, so we're inside again. And I got this new grill you seen in my last video. I did some burgers, turned out good. I'm still working on it guys, I gotta learn this thing. Got my Chefman Indoor Grill. We're gonna put it through the paces again. We're gonna crank up the heat a little bit. I just got a couple top sirloin steaks. Not the best steaks in the world, but got a good deal on them, and I got the best cuts I could find at the moment. So let's check it out. We're gonna start off with some asparagus as a side. We're gonna grill these up too. So let's get going, guys. Okay, like before, I've zoomed in really close on this one. I'm gonna fill up this tray just to, I don't need as much water as I did last time. That was a little bit too much for the cook I'm doing. Very important, because that's what keeps this thing smokeless, or smokeless, as they say. Slide it back in. That's back in. Put our top on. Notice I waited before I even plugged this thing in. I'll go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to take it to about medium. I'm going to do this asparagus first. I'm going to let this heat up for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, I think we're pretty much up to temp here. At least for the asparagus. I just doused these in some olive oil with some Canadian steak seasoning. And we're just going to throw them on here and let them cook up. See how they do on here. Another test. Love it. Hey guys, while that's going, get these steaks ready. Pat them dry. The excess here. Get some of this up. Guys, I'm just gonna, little olive oil. Very little. Going very simple tonight. Just some salt, pepper, garlic. Mainly checking out this new grill. Just don't seem right cooking indoors on a grill. But hey, we're doing it tonight. Same thing on the other side. Set these aside. Wait for this asparagus to get done. These are coming off. Set them in the oven to keep warm. We're going to crank the heat up on this to high and get these steaks on. Thing is cooking over here. Let's hope this turns out really good. Listen to that. I don't know how long to go here. I'm going to play it by ear. I'm going to start with 5 minutes and check them before I turn them. Alright guys, let's see what happens here. That ain't too shabby if you ask me. No, I didn't do the crosshatch, but we do got some grill marks going on. Looks good. Yeah, I can pull that one. Be a good medium. Yeah, we're actually, it's not bad, guys. I'm pulling them. There we go. Let these guys rest a minute. We'll come back and see how they did. Let's see how we did here. Cutting this right in half. Kind of hoping for a medium. I think we've achieved that. Yeah, we're a good medium here. I don't know if the camera picks that up. I'm gonna cut a slice off here. Give us a taste. Really need to sharpen my knife. Alright guys, look at there. That's certainly not a ribeye. I love a good sirloin too. Sirloins are awesome. I tell you what, great secondary, and I got a great price on these. I'm gonna take a little bite of this asparagus here. Use my hands. That's what I do here, man. Asparagus is awesome. I don't, obviously, guys, the weather was right and the time of year was right. I'd be out here on my Weber kettle or even on my propane, but the weather's not good tonight. So, got this Chefman grill. I'm gonna be using it a lot, guys. Especially this time of year. Probably a lot. You'll see some more of this. Guys, thanks so much. Guys, I love this. I'm having fun with this little grill. As long as the weather is bad, I'll be using more of it. So, guys, thank you so much. Please hit the like button down here. Subscribe if you haven't already. And folks, I will see you on the next video. God love you, folks. Bye-bye.